Okay, so the next one is 2 equals 4 times 1/2. Okay, so what would be our first step here? So we're going to try and do all of them. So let's try and find, so we're going to try and see what is going to equal to 1/2. So what's going to be our first number? So every time it's a fraction, the smallest number is going to go first. Because when you divide a small number by a large number, then it's going to give you a fraction because it's going to be less than a whole. So we have 1/2 equals 2. Now, what are we going to change the symbol to put in here? So we put the division here. And 2 divided by what number is going to give you 1/2?
4.
So remember, we always use the same numbers, the same 3 numbers once. So now let's test it. So 2 divided by 4, is that equal to 1/2? Look, we can make a diagram. So imagine you have 2 brownies, right? And you have 4 friends, and you want to give each of them a brownie. So what you have to do is you're going to divide these 2 brownies in 4. So do we have 4 brownies now?
Yeah.
And how many pieces did you have to divide each brownie by?
2.
And how many did one person get?
1/2.
Yes, so you got it right. Okay, yes, let's try and find the other ones too. This is one of your answers, so later you can check. Okay, so now let's try to find 4. So 4 equals what? So this is a whole number. So what number are we going to put first?
2.
Yes. So remember, every time it's a fraction, you use the smaller number first. But when it's a whole number, you use a larger number first. Okay, so what symbol are we going to put here? Okay, so what symbol do we need to turn the multiplication one to?
Divided.
Yes. So remember, every time we're multiplying, we change it to divide. So, and if we were working with addition and subtraction, then we would change it to minus. But since we're only working with multiplication and division, you always change to one of those. So 4 equals 2 divided by what number?
1/2.
Yes, so now let's check it. So 2 divided by 1/2, does that give you 4? Okay, so let's check it. So if you wanna get if you wanna check how do you divide 2 by 1/2? Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to check this by first how do you write 2 as a fraction? 2 over 1. Because remember, this line is equal to division. So 2 divided by 1, what does that give you?
2.
Yes, good job. So this is the same thing as this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this 2 over 1 since we're multiplying. And what does this give you? 4. So is this answer the same as this one? Yes. Good job. So now we check that that one was right. So now we can go to our answer choices. So was one of our answers 1/2 equals 2 divided by 4? Yes. So this is one answer. This is our answer. Okay, good job. So